Ipsos polling exclusively for Global News finds 66% of Canadians say they are satisfied with the job the federal government has been doing to secure COVID-19 vaccines. But when it comes to timing, 79% say Canada could be doing more to secure vaccines sooner. And 74% are worried public distribution of a vaccine will be too slow. 86% say it's reasonable countries with their own vaccine production facilities will vaccinate their citizens first. So it's no surprise 92% think Canada should have its own vaccine production capabilities. And looking to the future, almost all Canadians, 93%, think the federal and provincial governments need to start planning today to make sure that Canada is prepared for the next pandemic.
Top line, what they're basically telling us is that 66% of them at least are telling us that they're satisfied with how the government has been managing vaccines so far. And in fact, we asked another question about that, which was, do you think they're doing about as well as they could? And about 63% agree with that. But the minute that you get beyond just kind of this polite, we're waiting to see what happens, that's when things start to get a little more dodgy. So we found in the survey that 79% of the people we interviewed thinks the government could be doing more sooner to obtain more vaccines. So even though they're taking a bit of a wait and see approach to how this is all going to transpire, they want to see some more energy out of the government, and they want to see some more news, probably related to some specific timings that will reassure them that everything is being managed well, because at the moment, they've got a lot of questions. It's interesting. How you feel about vaccines tends to be how you feel about politics. So the regional distribution tends to follow the political map. If you're in Alberta, even though it's 57% of the people say that the government's doing a good job on that, well below average. If you're in Ontario or Quebec, obviously your numbers are going to be much higher. So it tends to follow the political map. But their expectations will be determined by what happens on the ground. So if they see a whole bunch of countries that they see as Canada as being in the same league with, way ahead on this, it'll be a problem for the government. If, however, the government is able to move quickly on this and secure significant vaccine doses and is able to, over a short period of time, get us back up and aligned with what's happening in other countries, they will be seen as having performed effectively.